A man has spent $500,000 on a giant 3D printer designed to print entire homes. The machine works by printing layers of concrete walls, a material that can last up to 300 years. The hollow wall design makes it incredibly easy to install electrical and plumbing systems. In addition, the structure is reinforced with steel and spray foam to increase the durability, soundproofing, and insulation of the house. Since machines do most of the work and operate continuously, labor costs are significantly reduced by up to 45%. As for the speed of construction, you can move in just a few days to a maximum of 3 weeks,